Hi, baby.
What's up?
Where are we?
OC Fair.
Are we having fun?
Not yet, but I hope to.
Heading to the Uber stop. Hello, it is Sunday afternoon. We are in Newport. Luke and I are gonna go thrifting. We're gonna try to look for a dresser for his room here, and I'm always just looking for everything, so I thought I'd bring you guys along, and then if I end up getting anything I'll show you guys after. If not, I'll just report back that it was a bust. So let's see what I can find. Done at the thrift store. It was really busy in there today because it is a Sunday. I prefer going like on a Tuesday, like mid-morning. I think it's the best time to go. But the only thing I ended up getting was this, and tell me if I'm wrong, but I think I just bought a Jonathan Adler pot for $2. I'm gonna look up this like line that he did and compare. There's no sticker or marking on the bottom, so that's another thing. I don't know if he marks his stuff, but I'm gonna do a little research, because if this is Jonathan Adler, then this is like a $200 little plant pot. So I'm kind of excited about that. I think we have just found our next DIY project. We like the frame on this canvas, and canvas is pretty pricey, and this guy's only 24 bucks. We think this could be a fun project. Let's just get it. I also really love that mirror back there. That's gorgeous. Probably like $250 or something. $199. It's pretty. Oof. It's pretty. Tapestry. I have a feeling those are going to be a little pricier too. Please let the hand painted stuff. It's like me walking around Italy. All the boys just whistling and hollering at me.
I'm ready. Tomorrow's a lot chair.
Papa wants a rocking chair.
Real bad.
Cool one too. This little lamp is so cute. If I had more outlets in my house, I would be getting this. $19, so cute. Okay, I found some super sick chairs. This is going in my and Luke's super modern house that we don't have. The what?
Princess chair.
Yeah.
Maybe I would feed you breakfast in the morning and you demand it.
Yeah.
Or else you're gonna get chopped off.
Exactly. Next project coming at you. Okay, so we made it back to Luke's place with this. I don't know if I showed this to you guys or not yet, but we're gonna do one of those like little plaster DIY canvas arts. Luke's been wanting to do it for a while. We found this guy for cheap, perfect frame around it already, so this is what we're gonna go with. Perfect frame, exactly what we were looking for. Bye-bye, Moose. Project day 2. You can still see our moose, but all of our plasters like mostly dry. And Luke's been dying to test this out, so see what we're working with. Oh yeah. So we went with like, what is this?
Grey gloss.
Watch the toes, watch the toes. So we went gray high gloss in an ultra matte black for the contrast. I'm excited to see how this turns out. I hope you could hear this because I was just covering the microphone with my hand and I'm starting to inhale some fumes. Ooh! Stinky. Fume.
You still think?
It just tastes, or it smells like ultra fumey to me, like not like normal paint.
No, it is. It's like,
I mean, not like normal spray paint. Like I know. Look at this guy. They're really cute. Hi, cute.
mid conversation, see the flower.
Oh.
I'm gonna do a bit of black now as I'm getting closer to them.
Yeah. I wonder if on the show alone.
Huh?
I wonder if on Alone they like give them lessons like on how to vlog, or they're just so alone, like their vlogging skills are really good because like they've got no one else. They're just like, but like you'd still think like it'd be hard to talk to the camera, and they're all just like, but like you know what I mean? They're all like really good at talking like on the camera. Don't you think?
Yeah. Well, I mean, you've got no one else to talk
Careful
to.
with the edge.
Yeah, man. You've got no one else to talk to. That's the last one there, so.
I know, but like still, you'd think it'd almost feel unnatural, like because you set it up. It's not a person. It's like, I don't know. Maybe I'm just really bad at vlogging.